Alright, so guys, we have this Vibox piece. Someone actually bought this thing, and they told me that the thing didn't work. So I turned on the first time, and then afterwards it never turned on. So essentially what's happened is the motherboard, we effectively found out the board is completely dead. Might have caused a short by fuck knows what. But yeah, frankly the GPU wasn't even plugged in. The cables for the front fan header, for the front LEDs were the wrong way round. So it was actually, when you press the power, it was showing him the hard drive LED light was turning on as well. On top of that as well, the actual power switch was plugged into the reset switch. On top of that as well, what the fuck are these guys playing at? This one hell of a thing as well. This card that was inside the machine looked hella sketchy. So this is meant to be a Zotac 1660 Super. Why the fuck is this thing so fucking small? I have no fucking clue. But anyway, told this guy the board is dead. Test that, got a different power supply, put in a different power supply, and the board was completely just toast. It just didn't turn on whatsoever. I was like, look, just send it back to them. It's covered under the warranty, and they said they'll replace the thing. So that's fine and dandy. But this is just funny to see. This guy bought this PC and it just came in this state, and I thought at least they could have done a better job and actually gave him a system that actually was plugged in correctly. That might have worked from the start, but I guess it didn't work, and this is what you have to show for it. £800 well spent. It should have just come to me in the first place. Oh fuck's sake. Anyway, this is Ace, this has been Ace, and as always, Ace out.